here for Computex 2014 Overclock.net coverage. I'm at Bitfenix, where you can see the giant red Phoenix. And what's this?
Well, here we have Pandora, which is our next Mini-ITX case. It has support for 120mm radiators and 240mm radiators. So if you remove the hard drive cages, you do have support for radiators. Even if you remove all the hard drive cages, you do have SSD locations right by the power supply. So in terms of power supply, you do have 160mm support, even longer. If you do remove the bottom hard drive cages, you have support for long VGAs, and if you are using air coolers, you do have about 100mm of space. So that fits even very large, low-profile coolers. Now, what's very special about the logos on both Pandora and Aegis, which I'm showing you next, is that the logo can be changed by dropping a photo onto an exe file. So for example, if I grab a casing logo here and I drag it onto this test, I guess we're going to call this test here, a command prompt will come up, and in about 5 seconds the logo changes to the casing logo. Now what's great about this is in the future we may have compatibility with GIF files, so your case can be customized to whatever personality or what your favorite image is.
Okay.
Up next we have Bitfenix Aegis, which is a micro ATX case. This has support for very high-end systems, a lot of radiator support. We do have a lot of radiator accessory support as well, such as the reservoir bracket, which you can mount on any 240mm fan location. And you do have a bottom-mounted punt mount, which you can mount anywhere on the bottom of the case. So on the front here we have one 360mm radiator, which can be very thick if you have push or pull. On the top you have a 240mm radiator support. And then on the bottom you do have ATX power supplies as well, very long ones if you need. In terms of CPU coolers, we have 160mm of height, but you can also mount your 120mm radiator on the back of the case. And again, with Pandora we do have the LED changing logo. Again, this logo, you drag and drop a photo onto the exe file, and then you can have your customized logo onto the case.